Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll to show you how to download Telegram in laptop. Okay, I'll start the video. First go to Google Chrome. Okay, here search Telegram. And here see Telegram Messenger. Scroll down. And here see Telegram for PC Linux. And here see get Telegram for Windows 64-bit Telegram desktop. Here see get Telegram. Okay, see it is downloading. Okay, it is downloading. Okay, complete download. And here's the open option. Go this PC and here's the download option. Click here. Okay, here see select language and select your browser. Here see download. Okay, and here's the next option. Here see next option. Here's the next option. And here install option. Okay, it is extracting. Okay, here's the finish option. Here Telegram. See. Okay, here's the start messaging. Okay,